In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close document in Affinity Photo. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or wrapping up a session, closing a document cleanly keeps your project organized and prevents accidental changes. We're focusing on the desktop version, and I'll walk you through the two simplest ways to do it, from the menu and with keyboard shortcuts. First, let's use the menu. Look to the top of your screen for the menu bar, then click File. In that drop-down, choose Close. This action closes the current document window you're working on. If Affinity Photo detects unsaved changes, you'll see a prompt asking whether you want to save, discard, or cancel. Take a second to read that prompt carefully. Saving here ensures you don't lose progress. After you confirm, the document closes and you'll be returned to the main interface or to any other documents you still have open. Now, if you prefer to work faster, the keyboard shortcut is the way to go. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+W. On Mac OS, press Command+W. This shortcut targets the active document, the one in front, and closes just that file. It won't quit the app unless it's the only document open, so you can keep working on your remaining files without interruption. If you're juggling multiple documents, make sure the right one is active before you press the shortcut. You can confirm this by glancing at the highlighted tab or the document title in the window bar. A quick tip for precision. If you're unsure which document has focus, click inside the canvas or the Documents tab to make it active, then use the shortcut. And if you change your mind after closing, don't panic. You can usually reopen the file from your Recent Files list or by opening it from where it's saved on your computer. One more helpful habit. Before closing, glance at your History or Layers panel to remind yourself whether you've made changes since your last save. It's an easy way to avoid losing small edits you might have forgotten about. Also, be careful not to mix up closing a document with quitting the application entirely. The close command or shortcut is designed for the current document, while quitting ends the whole session. That's all there is to it. Use File, Close for a clear, deliberate action, or rely on Ctrl+W or Command+W for speed. With these methods, you'll keep your Affinity Photo workflow clean, efficient, and under control.